Yo, this is crazy. It says horrifying CCT shows massive flood sweeping through Nepal China border. You got people running. It's a lot of people. It's like they're doing construction, like a little valley or something. Get what the heck? Yo, yo, yo. Nah. Are you kidding me? What is this? Nepal, China? This is, bro. It's still coming. Are you kidding me? Yo, huh? Dog, that's like at least 300 people. Easy. Like, I'm looking at 300 people right here. Right here. Just what the freak, yo? Yo, yo. Goodness. Yo, that's crazy.